In this video, I'll show you how to add another Gmail in Chrome. So if you want to add another Gmail account in your Chrome browser, let me show you how to do it step by step. So after you open the Chrome browser, on your interface like this, click on this profile icon of your existing Gmail account. So go to this where it says add account, add another account. So now it will ask you to type in the account you want to add. So click on this use another account. So now type in the Gmail account you want to add. So for this video, I want to add this one. After you select the Gmail account, so just type in the Gmail and click on this next. So now it will ask you for the password of the Gmail account. After you type in the password, click on this next button. So from there now it will take you to the Gmail account you just added. So click on this next no button. So now here is Gmail account. Click on this option. So as you can see now I have two Gmail account in my Chrome browser. And if you want to add another one, you can just click on this option, this arrow, and go to this add another account. So that's it guys on how to add Gmail account or how to add another Gmail account in Chrome browser. If this video helps out, like and subscribe.